Good evening everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Maz, and today I'm going to be swapping out some halogen bulbs in favour of some LEDs. So in this case, I'll be using some Halford's Advanced W5Ws. They are 200 lumens, brighter LEDs. They do sell some lesser 35 lumen ones under Halford's Essentials, but I thought I'd go a bit fancy and go for these advanced ones, especially when you look at how the halogen bulbs are fitted. So if you come inside, most of the car has LED lights, but there are two exceptions. One is the interior footwell lights, and second is the puddle lights. But I'm going to show you how to get them swapped. They are an easy swap and they don't take much labour either. So we're going to start off with the footwell. This is the driver's side. Because halogens heat up when in use, make sure you got something to protect your hands. So in this case I'll be using some microfiber cloth. So if I can just find where the bulb is. Found it, and then pull. There we go, straight out. And here's what the original one looks like. And these are what I'll be fitting. Here's what they look like. They illuminate from the side as well. So yep, here comes the fitting time. Excuse the awkward angle, but there we go. That's very bright. There we go. Now we've got a clear white LED light in. And here's what it looks like with the new light bulbs on. Here's what the passenger one looks like. It is a bit out of reach and it is a bit hard to get my hand in, but we'll have to see if we can try. So here goes. There we go, finally out. That was a bit tricky. And now time for the new one. Let's try the other way. Okay. This one's a little stubborn. There we go. Passenger side one finally fitted in. And here's what it looks like without the light. Without my phone light. from the passenger's perspective. So that's 2 down and now 2 to go. The second set belong to these ones here, the footwell light, not the footwell lights, the puddle illuminators. This one, similar to my XF's boot area, you just pull them through here. Or is it from here? There we go. And of course they are halogen, so bring out my trusty cloth. Hard to do it with 2 hands, but basically you just pull this off from here. There we go. And again, it's a W5W. And for the fitment of this one, let's just put a GoPro on the floor. There we go. And back in its place it goes. Here's the result. And finally the driver's door. Let there be light. There we go. And back in its place, back in at home. Good. There we go. Finished. It's just as easy as that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me swap the halogen bulbs to LED. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!